guys, so for the next couple of days I'm exploring Bali with the Insta360 Flow. We're going to test out all its capabilities and see what magic we can create with it. I love this product because it literally fits in your pocket, it's so portable, and yeah, you're just recording on your phone, which you have with you anyway. So yeah, let's go and see what we can create. Alright, so we chuck our phone in the pocket and then fold this down, and yeah, this fits in your other pocket, so now we don't have to take a big heavy camera bag anywhere with us. I feel so free right now. I've literally just got my phone and the gimbal, and literally that's all you need. Okay guys, so we just made it into the jungle and we're going to film some cliff jumpers, so yeah, super excited to test that out, and yeah, what a perfect place to do it. So yeah, let's go meet up with the cliff jumpers and get some shots.
For these shots, I primarily use follow mode. In this mode, the gimbal responds closely to my movements, so I have full control in following my subjects along the tilt and pan axes.
Alright guys, so for the next shot, we've rigged up the gimbal to a 3-meter long pole. We're going to try and mimic some crane shots or like a drone shot. And yeah, definitely recommend this tool to level up your shots, get something a bit more dynamic. Let's put it to the test and see how it works.
The gimbal has 3-axis stabilization, which is a game changer to achieve incredibly smooth shots. Using the 3-meter pole is super hard to see what you're shooting, but with Flow's AI tracking, we don't have to worry about missing a shot ever again.
Alright guys, so we made it to the last jump of the day, 15 meters. The boys are absolutely sending it, it's so sick. So right now we are testing out the tracking features, the slow-mo tracking, and the overall 3.0 deep tracking system that it's got. And yeah, it's holding up really well. The boys are running and jumping off, and the gimbal is following their every move. So honestly, it's so sick. Yeah, let's carry on shooting and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, we just wrapped up cliff jumping. The boys absolutely killed it, yes, my guys. And yeah, really impressed with the gimbal so far. The tracking is insane. Also the pole just adds such cool dynamic. And yeah, let's move on to the next scene and keep testing out these features. Hi you lot, just came down to the beach for a surf with the lads, and I thought what better time to test out the tripod feature of the gimbal. It's got AI tracking in the gimbal. So I set up the tripod on the rock over there before we jumped into the surf and let the gimbal do the magic. You just put a box over your subject and it will track your frame the whole way. Literally guys, everything about this gimbal makes your life so easy, so portable and lightweight. You can get shots without a cameraman, and yeah, all day battery life is unmatched. So yeah, honestly, this thing definitely has a place in my camera bag. Yo, this is sick. So we're at the beach filming the guys on the bikes. Woo! Sky is popping off for us. I'm loving using this zoom ring, zooming in and out as I'm tracking the guys. It's creating some really dynamic and cool shots. So yeah, let's carry on shooting because this sky is insane.
The 3-axis stabilization on this thing is insane. I did one shot with the gimbal, one without, and the difference is insane.
Another quick tip is when your phone might lose orientation, might lose center, might lose tracking of your subject, you can hit the back button twice and it will just recenter the phone back to its original position. So yeah, super useful. Alright guys, that was insane. The sky blessed us with unreal colours. It was so sick and it was so much fun testing out a few more features on the gimbal, like the barrel roll, the dolly zoom, the FPV mode, and yeah, just so impressed with the tracking. We used Active Plus to track the fast-paced moving bike, and yeah, it nailed it every time. So yeah, so impressed with this gimbal. The fact it fits all these features into such a lightweight, small device is unmatched. It's insane. To end our day, we're just gonna have a campfire with the whole crew, chill, enjoy the rest of the vibes in Bali, and yeah, maybe pick up a few more shots with the gimbal. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.